to another video. And first off, I'm gonna say this tornado threat got larger. As now it includes Tennessee as well for today. Enhanced risk and slight risk been shrunk, which is good news. So Ohio, you guys still have like a 2% wind threat, but or 5, but yeah, there was no 30%, so thank gosh for that. But all I just want to say is this tornado threat is going insane. The NATO cast shows a 10% hatch over in Alabama, Mississippi and Alabama up to Tennessee. It's just Kentucky, okay. So, if this threat continues at 3 p.m. Eastern, trust me guys, I will never leave y'all. I'm sorry about yesterday's stream. I was tired, I had to go to sleep. But I will be live today. So stay tuned. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And also we have a tornado watch. Few tornadoes likely for Arkansas to Mississippi and to Tennessee. But it's not with Alabama just yet. Well guys, that will be it for this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the live stream. Peace out. Goodbye.